I'm Steve, and welcome to the AI Beginner Academy podcast. This is a special audiobook bonus series here on the podcast. Let's jump right back in and dive into Chapter 12. Chapter 12, Your First 7 Days with AI. Practical, fun, easy actions anyone can take. You made it all the way here. You understand what AI is, how it works, how to talk to it, and maybe even how to team up with it for work, learning, and fun. Now it's time to roll up your sleeves and actually use it. This isn't a crash course or a tech boot camp. It's a friendly 7-day guide to help you explore AI confidently, safely, and at your own pace. Each day includes a small, practical activity you can do in less than 20 minutes. No stress, no jargon, just simple wins to build your confidence and show you what's possible. By the end of the week, you won't just understand AI, you'll be using it naturally. Step-by-step guide for experimenting safely. Before we start, a quick word on safety. When you experiment with AI, keep it light and general. Don't upload personal, financial, or confidential data. Avoid sharing private details like names, addresses, or client info. Think of AI as a helpful assistant. Smart, capable, but not cleared for sensitive material. If you stick to everyday tasks, you're in the clear. Ready? Let's begin. Day 1. Get comfortable talking to AI. Start simple. Open ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, whichever tool feels most comfortable, and just talk to it. Ask a few friendly questions. Explain how solar panels work in plain English. Give me 5 healthy dinner ideas. Tell me a joke about technology. Notice how the model responds, and don't worry about being formal. Treat it like you're chatting with a knowledgeable friend who's never tired of your questions. You're not trying to be perfect here, just to build comfort with conversation. Day 2, try a writing or editing task. Now that you're comfortable, let's use AI for something practical. Pick a small writing task you'd normally do yourself, maybe an email, a short message, or a social media post. Prompt example. Write a short, friendly email to a coworker thanking them for helping with a project. Keep it sincere but lighthearted. Then ask it to tweak the tone. Now make it sound more professional. Or add a touch of humor. See how it adjusts? That's the power of clarity and feedback. Day 3. Brainstorm something fun. Today, use AI for creativity. It doesn't have to be work-related. Ask for ideas about something you enjoy. Give me 5 ways to make my garden more eco-friendly. Suggest 3 fun ways to spend a Saturday that don't cost much. Help me come up with a name for my new hobby blog. This is where AI starts feeling more like a creative partner than a productivity tool. If you're feeling adventurous, ask it to write a short poem or song lyrics about your favorite pastime. If you ask it to write about guitar playing, it might do a better job than I ever did. Day 4. Summarize or simplify something complex. Pick something you recently read, an article, report, or a technical document, and have AI summarize it. Try. Summarize this text in 3 bullet points. Or explain this in a way a 12-year-old could understand. This is one of AI's greatest strengths, making complexity simple. You'll be amazed how much time this saves in daily life. If you want to go further, ask it to create a short LinkedIn post or paragraph summarizing this topic. That turns understanding into communication. Day 5. Use AI for learning. Choose a skill or topic you've always wanted to learn. Something small, like photography, Excel shortcuts, or even a new language. Prompt example. Teach me the basics of playing acoustic guitar for beginners. Create a simple 7-day practice plan. Yes, that's one I've personally used, and no, it didn't instantly make me sound good, but it definitely made me better. AI can build personalized learning paths, daily practice tips, and even quizzes to test your progress. This is where it starts becoming a personal coach, one that never gets impatient or runs out of lessons. Day 6. Automate or organize one thing. Today's goal. Save time. Pick one small, repetitive task you do often, writing a daily update, sorting notes, drafting routine messages, and see how AI can help. Prompt example. Create a reusable template for a weekly status report. Or write a polite message to follow up on an unanswered email. If you're feeling brave, explore tools like Zapier or Microsoft Copilot to automate small digital chores. Start tiny. Even one automation can save hours over time. Day 7. Create something that brings you joy. You've learned how to talk to AI, delegate tasks, and experiment safely. Now it's time to have a little fun. Ask AI to help you make something that makes you happy. That could be a short story about a topic you love, a photo or illustration using an AI art tool, a simple business idea or passion project plan, a custom practice routine for your favorite hobby. Here's the key. It doesn't have to be useful, just joyful. Let AI remind you that creativity isn't about perfection. It's about exploration. Quick wins to build confidence. By the end of these 7 days, you'll have done more than test a few tools. You'll have learned how to communicate clearly with AI, use it responsibly and safely, save time on repetitive tasks, boost creativity and learning. Enjoy the process along the way. You'll also notice something important. That sense of fear or hesitation you might have had before, it's gone. Because once you start using AI, the mystery disappears. You realize it's not here to replace you. It's here to help you. The start of your AI journey. This 7-day experiment isn't an ending. It's the beginning. The more you practice, the more natural it feels. Over time, you'll develop your own rhythm, your own way of blending AI into your work and life. You'll start to see opportunities everywhere, a better way to write, to learn, to plan, to create. And maybe, just maybe, you'll look back a month from now and realize how far you've come. Not because AI changed who you are, but because it helped you unlock a little more of what was already there. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. I hope you're enjoying the book so far. If you're looking for a simple, structured place to begin applying what you're learning, I've created a free 30-day AI roadmap. It walks you step by step through building real confidence with AI without overwhelm. You can find it at aibeginner.net/start. And if you're looking for simple, friendly ways to learn AI at your own pace, head over to aibeginner.net. It's great for individuals. And we also offer bulk pricing and light customization if you're exploring AI training for a team or business. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next chapter.